Run, my son. The angry dogs are chasing us.
Okay, Mom. Let's look for a safe place. Watch out, Mom. Are you hurt?
Yes, my paws are hurt. Son, leave me here and save yourself.
No, Mom. I won't leave you.
Don't worry about me. Just go.
Okay, Mom. But I'll come back with help. Sir, my mom is hurt. Can you help us?
Go away, dirty cat! Let me eat!
Sorry to bother you. Miss, my mom is hurt. Can you help us?
Go away, stray cat. I'm too busy.
Sorry, ma'am. Nobody wants to help us. Then I will protect my mom myself. No one will hurt my mom. I will fight for her with all I have.
Every like helps the kitten protect his mom.